In parts 1 and 2 of the support material series, we covered the basic and advanced support material settings. While these settings will work with either single or dual nozzle printing, using HydroFill, Airwolf 3D's premier water-soluble support filament requires special settings in order to achieve good quality and to support the print properly. Using HydroFill is quite easy, but there are a few things you must do in order to have successful results. First, make sure the nozzles are calibrated in the X and Y and that the Z is also calibrated correctly. The nozzles need to be leveled. Second, load the HydroFill onto the upper left spool holder in the EVO. Make sure to prime the head several times once loaded. If there is any material from the previous loaded filament left in the hot end, it can cause problems while printing, and the HydroFill may eventually jam. Third, make sure to start with the default settings in Apex for HydroFill. Select ABS with HydroFill, import your part, and save the G-code. If you do experience any issues while printing, you can check the following. Make sure the filament is dry and has not been left out in a humid atmosphere. It is extremely important to use dry HydroFill, as the material is extremely hygroscopic. Store used HydroFill in a sealed bag. If you experience any jamming, check to make sure the heads are level. If the material stops extruding, stop the print, remove the HydroFill and cut it at a 45-degree angle, then reload. Make sure to prime several times before restarting the print job. HydroFill is a great alternative to single head support as it dissolves away and provides a cleaner mating surface to the part. It is more expensive to use and may be a little tricky at first, so make sure to use it only when needed, as single head support can still be quite good and also has its benefits.